Welcome to Singing with Ron! Hello, in this next video I want to talk a little bit about how using less air and holding the breath or holding air in your lungs helps you to find a bigger, better belt sound. So some of the images that I've run across is inhaling from a balloon, and going, oh yeah, hey, yeah, you know how then you start to talk and you kind of holding the helium in your lungs. So that's a really great way to help you to find some of these higher belty sounds. You could also use the metaphor of smoking and keeping the smoke in your lungs. Yeah, this is some really good stuff, man. Right? Yeah. So keeping the smoke in your lungs is another one that you can use with students. Also, just um, talking underwater, so you're very slowly letting go of your air. So now this is not about like getting tense. It's just about holding that whatever air, helium, smoke in your lungs. So give that a try. It helps you to find a better, higher belt sound without pushing a whole bunch of air out, which a lot of people tend to do. So, yeah, enjoy that one. It's a lot of fun. Great. Thank you.